Hello everyone, today I am making spaghetti. Welcome to my channel. I am happy to share with you my recipe. Let's get started. I'll be using chicken for this recipe. I started by washing the chicken, then I added salt, seasoning powder, and the next ingredient I'll be using to season the chicken is the curry powder. After adding the curry powder, I added dry thyme. Then I went ahead to add blended onions. In the blended onions, I also blended ginger and garlic. So I mixed them together. After adding all the ingredients, I just give it a quick mix. Then I will cover the chicken to cook. While the chicken is cooking, I'll go ahead to prepare the rest of the ingredients that will be used to prepare the delicious spaghetti jollof. At this point, chicken is well cooked. In a pot of boiling water, I added spaghetti and I will allow the spaghetti to cook for 2 to 5 minutes. While the spaghetti is cooking, I just cover the pot and allow it to boil. I went ahead to take out the chicken from the chicken stock. I'll be air frying the chicken. You can as well fry the chicken. While the chicken is in the air fryer, in a pot I added vegetable oil, then I added onions. I'll just give it a quick mix, fry the onions. After frying the onions, I added the blended tomato and red pepper. As the blended tomato is frying, I'll add curry powder, dry thyme. For this spaghetti recipe, I am not using the tomato paste. I am using just the fresh tomato and red bell pepper. Then I went in to add seasoning powder and crayfish. The crayfish is optional, just that it gives it more flavor. Then I went ahead to add the chicken stock that I extracted earlier. Then I added spaghetti. After adding the spaghetti, I will just give it a very quick mix so that all the ingredients can combine well. If you're still watching this video to this moment, this is the right time to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video. And to our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for your comment, and thank you for also sharing our videos. I just keep mixing in a medium heat until all ingredients are well combined. I would love to know how you make your own spaghetti in the comment section, and you can also watch our previous video on how to make jollof spaghetti. This spaghetti was so delicious. I would love you to try this recipe, and I assure you that you will love it. This spaghetti recipe was so easy and fast to make. See you in our next video. Bye.